Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Former Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaunte's entry into the BJP has been considered as a big boost for the party ahead of polls. Khaunte has claimed that political and legislative differences makes a vibrant legislation. Khaunte said that even after joining the BJP, his ideologies have not changed and will continue to take all issues forward.
Political and ideological differences make a vibrant legislation. And we have, with this particular government, we have agreed, cooperated, disagreed, debated. So I think all these things are a part of the assembly. Whatever we have to think about our people ahead, there are a lot of expectations, not only development, but overall development in terms of human development, people expectations in terms of their overall development. At the same time, we need to ensure that what our promises to our people are kept. पार्टीन जॉईन जालो म्हणजे म्हजे आयडियाज आनी आयडियोलॉजी म्हजी चेंज जायना, पूण पार्टीन रावन परफॉर्म करून जे आसा ते विचार फुडें व्हरपाची संदी मेळटा. जेन्ना आमी क्रिटिसायज करता आनी आमी ऑपोजिशन रावतात, आमी राज्याचे इश्यू आमी लोकांक हाडून दितात. राज्याचे विशय आमी लोकांचे विशय आमी सरकारा फुडें हाडून दितात. आज काळ अशी आसा की जेन्ना तूं वास्तुस्थिती पळयता, इट इज देयर टू बी एंड परफॉर्म. आवर पीपल हॅव वेटेड विथ अस इन गुड एंड बॅड टायम्स. इट इज वॉट दे नीड, दे एक्सपेक्ट, वी नीड टू डिलिव्हर. आणि पार्टेन जॉईन जाला म्हणून जितले आवाज हांव भायर सुद्दां आशिल्लो ते पार्टेन बरोबर रावन हे विशय फुडें व्हरपाचे, जे गोंयाक लागीं आसा, गोंयकारांक लागीं आसा आनी पर्वरकारांक लागीं आसा.
Reacting to his washing machine comments, Rohan also claimed that people who are tainted and the people who are unscrupulous elements joined the BJP for their political gains and legitimacy. Khaunte said that BJP has somewhere lost its image as a result of this.
People who were tainted, people who were unscrupulous elements, ते पॉलिटिकल मायलेज आनी आपले लेजिटिमेसी करपाक बीजेपीन प्रवेश केल्लो. तातूंतल्यान बीजेपी खंय नाल्यार खंय हाजो इमेजीचेर मार बसलाच. आज कमी काम आसा, बरोबर रावन जेन्ना आसा तेन्ना काम करपाचें. परत म्हणटा ते मशीन कित्याक म्हणलें आनी कित्याक म्हणलें, फुडें या.
Khaunte also claimed that his stand remains the same on the 3 linear projects and other projects related to environment.
My stand is the same, but I have taken on the linear projects or environment or everything. My things remain the same. First, it was being in the opposite and being and putting it across. Today, we have a chance to sit together and resolve this issue in the interest of Goa.